Oh, hello and welcome to 2020. 2019, it's dead and gone. It's time for new things. So here I am, digging into a GraphQL starter kit. I just had it up here, and I wanted to show you a specific one. So I think this is it. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one and see if we can't get it refactored and running as is. So there's a little tutorial with it too over here. Pull this up. Why is my internet slower? Jesus. Anyway, by Jonas Helfer. I didn't read this. I guess it comes from the Apollo base in some way, form, or manner. But anyway, with the thing with this one though is I want to get it up and running. So I've cloned it. Did this bit. Pulled it over here. Let's get this bounced up to some reasonable size so you can see it. And don't worry, I'll move my gourd here in a minute too. Anyway, I cloned it to here. You know, standard, git, clone, blah. You know, but it's already there, so whatever. Wait, it's not Python. It's GraphQL. There we go. All right. It's got some it's pretty standard stuff in there. It uses Cassandra or Mongo as the base. I'm going to try to use Mongo with it. I'll keep this in the background here. But let's get this over to a primary size. All right, here we go. Now, one thing I'm going to try to do too, and this will drive me a little crazy. Where did it go? There it is. So I got my pretzel up, and this might be loud for a second. See, I don't know. I'll turn it down to about there. Hopefully that's okay. Because if I show y'all my big monitor here, this is my ongoing fight of the day. So if y'all look at my big monitor, and let's see here, I go over to, let's see where I was. We'll go back to that in a second. But as you can see, here's my audio. And I can't seem to get, even though it says it's monitor and output here, like I don't hear it. Monitor only. Can I do that? I still don't hear anything. Only you seem to hear things. Anyway, monitor and output. The mess with audio in OBS is kind of frustrating, and on a Mac its own way. And this is my setup here. I got I show you audio capture. That's how you're hearing it. This is just the ongoing battle of audio in anything really. So I didn't need to move that over there. You can see it over here. So this is the setup for you to be able to hear it and me to not be able to hear it. I don't know how I'm supposed to get it so that I can monitor it. If I did this, does that give it to me? Pretzel would like to access your microphone. Please access my microphone. That's not the microphone I'm using though. I'm using this Rode Podcaster, but I don't have that pulled in. It should just be playing out of my device, and that's it. But then, of course, if I hit this, I can hear it, but you can't hear it now. Yeah. So, not going to do that. There you go. Now you can hear it again. Anyway, audio aside, all that absurdity, we're going to bounce back over here and get going with the GraphQL stuff. And I will figure out what the dilemma with the audio is later. So, GraphQL starter kit for Golang. We're going to time box this 2:12 right now. I want to get, if I'm not done by 3:30, I'm gonna wrap up anyway, and we'll come back to it. If we're done, hooah. I have no idea though. I'm doing this from scratch. No specific expectation whatsoever. All right. So quick start, get the code. Oh, look at, hey, my code. Or Mick code. My Docker panel is crazy. My Docker panel? What's my... Oh, my doc panel. Yes, my doc panel. My whole machine's crazy. Oh, this thing? Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know why I put a bunch of stuff in there. I mostly open stuff that way. But anyway, why does it stay and put? Come back over here. Yeah, anyway. So we're going to start with this. I pulled this. It says get the code. So the Docker container running the GraphQL server and container with Cassandra in a container by doing that. Okay. So it looks like this is probably set up with having, oh, whoops, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, that's better. So being that they have the command here, go get, makes me think that they probably have it set up so that I have to have a Go directory and everything. But I have modules set up, and I'm using the latest Go, I believe. Alfred, yeah, I've used Alfred in the past too, but I've just got this machine set up. I haven't even gotten very far with it. Oops, I brought that up. So, if I do go, I hadn't even thought about what will this do in this place. Let's do this. See what happens. My editor. I don't have an editor open. I just have this terminal. It's a Zish terminal, however. That comes, whatever it is that comes with the latest Mac. Why is my bar still up? Shrink like you're supposed to. Dock. Dock. Yeah. Oh. I guess it wasn't on. It's supposed to be on. Anyway. So I don't have much stuff open. There we go. Alright. So this is, oh, and the Zish, it's let's see here. Zish RC, right? Yeah, that's it. So boom. And it is pi, I did that stuff. Oh, my Zish, I have that loaded, right? And then it's, the theme is RKJ repos. So that's what gives me all that, this fancy pants stuff here. So I did that, and then I should be able to go into the path. Make all. Clean up old containers. So do this. Okay, nothing's running right now. I'm gonna have an error. This is because I don't know how to get the packages because it's not set up for modules. So I wonder if I could do go init mod. Right, no, go mod init. Ooh, go mod init. Oh, what's for to me this thing. Give.com. Yeah. Okay, so modules enabled. When I do use Go Land by JetBrains, speaking of editor, and I also use Visual Studio Code. Those are my main Go editors in here. All right, so we got that going. And just to look in Kitematic, I got Cassandra and Postgres downloaded, and these do start and stop correctly, right? Look, I'm in here, PS, oops, this is where I was doing that stuff. And then if I say docker stop Cassandra, docker stop Postgres. Okay, so they're all working, right? Images. I got a bunch of other stuff in here too for Minikube and whatever, but it's not worth paying attention to because I just need Cassandra and Postgres right now. And then let's try make all now that I have all that stuff in place. So they should do that. Then use the GraphQL IDE in your browser or the API to execute queries against the server. Oh, that's cute. Error 127. What? Well, don't go limit. I wonder if I can do this. Starting on the other browser. Give me a second here. Here's GoLand. So that's the new bits. All the dependencies. All right. Docker file. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks. Thanks, IDE. It's the README. Make file has what in it? Okay, so shall make go. Yep, GraphQL Server is the binary. Eh? Oh yeah, so we need to build into that. So what do we got here? Clean test lint build run. Go lint is not there. Let's go install GoLint. That actually seems like something that should be enabled. So you can run. I'll probably want it set up universally, so let's give that a go. All right. And then what did this say? Go. Oh, that's okay. And then go list target this thing. I don't really see that I would need to do all that, right? Oh, is it not gonna let me? Come on, copy. Okay, so got that in there. set it to path. So I need to do what is the set path in RC? So yeah. It says do that, but is that really? Oni? Who's Oni? Use special mapping of environment variables so you can simply do blah. That's pretty much the standard bash way to do it, though. All right, let's do that then. Let's scrape this. We'll go down here. Do you want to append there? Yeah, let's append it. I don't want to do that. So this. All right, and then let's. Okay, I haven't typed this once correct today. What? Oh, yeah, whatever. So my host name is still okay, so that's fine. Let's see about, let's echo the path. And okay, so it's in there, so I should be able to. Joy. Oh. Maybe I just don't need that. Hey, process. So starting to test. It's under Mongo and schema. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's grabbing the Docker components now. Okay. So GraphQL servers, grabbing the components. So why is my Go Let not working? Did I do something wrong? Oh, and that's not right either, because whatever map stuff, whatever. I'll fix that later. Execute Go Let. Which is this. So let's not take that out. Let's just do this. And we'll put in add echo rent needs added back to the code make file. Oh. There we go. Oh, did this do a compose? Docker compose or Docker? Okay, ran that. And it runs whatever. Oh, geez, what the heck? All right, whatever it's doing there, I'll figure it. 3.5. Oh, okay, I guess that exists. Docker build. Okay. That makes sense. But what about... there it is. Docker compose. Okay. So let's see, what do we got here running? So we have a Cassandra, Mongo, and the GraphQL server running. Okay. And then based on that, multiple entries, go path, blah, blah. Okay, I gotta, whatever, I'll mess with that later. So it says go to this. Oh, localhost 8080. So let's do localhost 8080. Let's see what we get. Rebels ships query. Oh, are we doing some Star Wars here? Okay, so let's do doing GraphQL of this stuff. So is it saying add that, or is it wait? What's it say to do? Use the grab blah 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 or the API blah 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 to execute queries against the server. Example, using GraphQL. Okay, well let's just do this one. What's this do? Cannot query any rebels. Can I double query? Ooh. Oh, what does this do? Didn't do anything. So you can command enter, so let's... Can I command enter? I don't know, maybe I don't have command wired up right. As a result, will appear in the pane on the right. To bring it auto complete at any point, press Control Space. If I go here, there we go. Query stuff, like so. Whatever. Oh, author. Let's do that. Can I do that? Oh, neat. So when I do this, just say maybe I should read how to do a query. Whatever. Okay. So that worked. Graph offers a pprof endpoint that can be consumed to create flame graphs with Go Torch. Okay, that's interesting. Nice. Okay, so we got it working. The Cassandra Go code looks like this. Okay. Yeah, let's actually look at that in the IDE and not this thing. So let's see here. We got the kit. That's when I just ran go build. That doesn't need to be there. The Go server is the executable. So there's our git ignore. So let's add, GraphQL, and then this plus kit. Architecture specific extensions, prefixes, compiled object files. Yep, looks good. All right, then. Why does it not see that? Oh, and I need to add that stuff. So let's add .ds store. There we go. Okay, so then I added go and mod and go.sum for the modules. I don't need the GraphQL starter kit in there. Why is that still showing up? GraphQL.o starter kit. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's add this. Minor make file tweak. Get ignore addition and adding module support. Oh, get remote HV, get remote add my copy. Can I do that? Actually, let's do this. Let's do get remote remove origin, get remote add origin me clear, get remote add upstream. I'm gonna do get status. Looks good. Get push. Oh yeah, get push. Set. Set upstream to origin master, and that should do that. Okay. And I'll get our little changes in there. There we go. All right, cool. German dude's probably gonna scream at me. You idiot American, you have added nonsense crap to the repo. But hey, so we got it working. It's up and running. I don't know what's actually in that Cassandra database. I guess we could do this. And actually, I'm not even gonna look. I'm not even gonna look right now. We got that working. We actually got it working a bit faster than expected, which is a good thing. There's gonna be some changes I need to make to that to make it useful for what I need to do with it. But hey, we're up and running. GraphQL Server that'll work against Apache Cassandra. I'm going to do some more research since I'm not super well versed in how exactly, let's say, the finer nuances of GraphQL. I'm going to get that figured out, and then the next time, hopefully we'll dive into that, dive into some other things, and also dive into some of the existing projects. And in the very near future, I'm going to set up a stream and talk about what it is I'll be doing in the next year, because I don't have a new job. I have a new role at my job. I think I talked about this a little bit last year in the trailing days of 2019. I am not a developer advocate anymore. I am now a cloud architect. I'm a software architect. To put together some awesome technology at DataStax for you, dear listener. So join in. Things that I can publicly stream, I will be streaming. So I'll be showing you how to put together all sorts of stuff and show you all sorts of stuff that I have put together. And even though I keep saying it on and off, I have almost gotten it figured out how I'm going to stream music on the weekends. Hello, Lena Droid. Thank you for the congratulations. Anyway, to all those that signed up or signed on today, thanks for watching. I am off to prepare for the next thing. Got done with that faster than expected. So, cheerio, have a good one, keep thrashing. And I don't know where the outro button is on the new OBS, but yep,